like I said, like things haven't really panned out exactly the way that I wanted them this year. I planted a ton of beans. I think some of them were, what do you call it, like I don't know, but some beans life cycles are short. So I had some red beans down there. It's unfortunate. I give a lot of stuff away, but I grow so much in this plot for like one person that I actually end up wasting a lot, which kind of sucks. But anyway, so I've torn out a bunch of beans. They all did really well. These are cranberry beans, which I got from the guy on the fence over there from the main garden. I've not eaten any of them. If you grow beans on a fence here, everybody on the other side of the fence will eat them, which is fine. It's kind of cool, actually. More tomatillos and stuff. Yeah, this one, I pulled out the rest of these like little cilantros that we're trying to grow. And then I have this like, I have 2 Thai basils, and because of where I planted them, they're just not getting enough sun. This is gonna sound weird, but my favorite part about Thai basil is just like the little buds and stuff. So that's really all that I use. I find it very peppery, so I use it in my cuisine a lot. I don't know what this bug is crawling on the lens there. Like I said, there are these 2 squash, and they're not zucchini for sure. They kind of look weird. I don't know if that's just their characteristic. If we go over here, these are not working out great. So I wonder what's happening here. I'll still eat that. Then there are these tomatoes. You can see that they are tomatoes. Like I said, this is a golden cherry tomato that for whatever reason was like growing in the cement of my front yard, just a block and a half away, and then somehow ended up in my compost, like a lot of stuff, and then it just started taking off in here. I'll show you some pictures of like the frozen ones that I have that I save for chutney. I like to make chutney for some reason. But this year is a good example, even though I showed you the one over there that's just coming up now. These came up early, I guess, and although it's fun to come out and have a few little ones to eat, just like the golden berries, they're not producing because it's overcrowded and probably too shaded. Oh yeah, I said that I wanted to show you the amount of those golden cherry tomatoes that I got last year from those volunteer plants. So, like I said, I mostly just use that stuff to make chutney. Almost the last note. I don't know what's gonna happen with this, but remember, I said I have tried to plant okra a few times, and again, I didn't plan well, and I'm really way more into this goldenberry and preserving that. But this okra is actually starting to take shape, so I wonder what it will be like. Only time will tell. And last thing is this hose. I shared with you that somebody came in and cut my hose, and then this guy replaced it, but then that hose was kind of old and it exploded. So I bought one of these, and I gotta tell you, at first I was like, fuck this hose, but now I like it. You just gotta make sure that your water pressure is appropriate. Good times.